Alright, so we are on the last day of the White River Valley show down here in Eleanor, Indiana. So I've been running the Avery all weekend. We've had an amazing weekend. So it has performed exactly as intended and worked out great for us. Today, unfortunately, it is pouring rain outside. Guess we don't have to worry about our water supplies, but pretty cool. I had already started firing the boiler because I have some wood to saw, and we're cooking. We're sawing hard. We're running the Avery, what you got. Running the sawmill, running full-size logs. I mean, they're not huge. They're probably 30 inch. The first real logs we've ever sawn with this.
Pulling so hard it's pulling the fire all the way through the tube.
Well, it's the end of the show season. This is the last day. It's pouring rain. We managed to fire the Avery and get her up to steam, and we're finishing off on the sawmill. And we are finished. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap for the show.